Today we're going to focus on dividing radical expressions. We're still in section 2. Yesterday we were working with multiplying the radical expressions, and now we're shifting to dividing instead. So here's example 4a. I have the square root of 50x to the 6th power over the square root of 2x to the 4th. And kind of like before, when we were multiplying, we could either simplify now or simplify later. And the easiest way that I like to do these problems is to think of this as one giant square root. My square root of the whole fraction, 50x to the 6th over 2x to the 4th. This is the same thing if you think about the square root of 1/4 is 1/2. You square root the top, square root the bottom. Same thing in this case. The square root of this whole fraction is the square root of the top over the square root of the bottom, like what we had here. Doing this makes my life a lot easier because I can do 50 divided by 2 and get 25. X to the 6th over x to the 4th is x squared. If you remember your exponent properties, we do some subtraction there. 6 minus 4 gives us the x squared. And that really gets rid of our fraction. We have the square root of 25x squared. Now to simplify this a little bit more, we have the square root of 25 is 5. The square root of x squared is x. And since we had absolute value, or since we had a square root, an even root, we need to think about our absolute value here. In this case, 5 always going to be positive. That 5 doesn't need to be in the absolute value. 5 times the absolute value of x.